Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I will show you how to fix mobile hotspot not working in Motorola G67. So before starting video, please subscribe the channel and like the video. So let's start the video without wasting time. First of all, restart device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel. Click on power off icon and click on restart. After click on restart, restart your device. Now go back. After that, turn on hotspot. Click on setting. Scroll down, click on mobile network. Scroll down, click on hotspot and tethering and turn on this button. After turning on this button, turn on hotspot from your phone. Now go back. After that, check internet. After check internet, reset all settings. Open setting, scroll down, click on system. Scroll down, click on reset options. Scroll down, click on reset device setting and click on reset device setting. After click on reset device setting, all setting will be reset from your phone. Now go back. After that, software update. Again open setting, scroll down, click on system updates. Scroll down, click on check for updates and click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be updated from your phone. This is how you can fix mobile hotspot not working in Motorola G67. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.